Okay, so you got some really cool blue bottles in the collection, or if you have a prop for, say, like a haunted house or some photo shoot you're doing, and you really want to have some blue bottles, but you don't have any, you can easily fake them. The first way is to take a bottle of your choice and mix up the appropriate stained glass covering. And this tutorial, once you learn how to do this tutorial, you can go crazy. You can do stained glass windows, you can do anything you want to do once you learn how to change regular 21st century glass bottles into something cooler or old or antique. We are mixing white glue today, just white glue. I'm going to get enough of that in there, because we're going to coat the whole entire bottle. I want to show you how much of this I'm going to be using, like that. And believe it or not, you're going to be painting the whole entire bottle. This is a 24-hour process here. We want to make that really dark. I'm using 5 drops of blue food coloring. You can make this bottle any color you want. If you know how to mix the colors, you can change it any color. I've also done amethyst glass bottles this way too. Now, there it is. Mixing the food coloring, and the white is absorbing it, so I have to add more now. So we know our ratio now is now more than 5 to 1. It's going to be 10 to 1. So let's add 4 more drops, 5 more drops. Of food coloring in there. Now, if it is not dark enough the next day after drying, you can always reapply a second coat. Look at this Cookie Monster blue coat. Man, this is so cool. That's going to come out pretty dark. You want to make sure all of the glue and your food coloring is really well mixed. If not, it becomes marbled when drying. So let's start. So I got my bottle. Now I'm starting at the top. I'm going to paint this. We're going to see what this looks like tomorrow. This takes 24 hours to make a stained glass bottle or a prop or any type of thing you're working on here. This is really cool. Layer it up nice and thick. I'm going to completely coat this bottle and let you see what it looks like. The other important thing I want to mention is how I'm painting this bottle. I'm not going all over the place crazy. I'm actually going around, and you can see as I'm layering it up in pieces, it's like I'm adding layers to the bottle like this, going all around very carefully. I'm not going this way and this way and that way. I'm following the curve of the bottle because I want all the glue to dry in the same consistency. Now once you got that bottle completely coated, you're going to let this sit and dry for 24 hours, and let's see what it looks like tomorrow. Now it's 24 hours later. I'm going to show you how our bottle turned out. Okay, now you can see there is modeling on the jar. Up here it's nice and dark. We need to put a second coat on this because I'm not satisfied with this. If you like this look, this is what stained glass looks like in a church window, and then you would just stop right there. However, I want a cobalt blue glass bottle, so we're going to be mixing up a second mixture of blue and the glue together, and we're going to put it on here. Be generous with the glue. It's better to have too much than not enough, and you don't want to run out. Now what causes the modeling is that the chemistry between the blue food coloring and the glue was improperly mixed. I did not mix it enough. I'm going to put down 4 drops there. I think I did 5 last time, but here, let's mix this together, was improperly mixed. So we want to make sure this is more properly mixed. This time I'm making sure that this is properly mixed in there. Okay, now I'm using the flat brush here again, and it's loaded. My brush right now is loaded up. So I'm going to use another brush to paint on. Here's another flat. Since that one was used to mix, we are going to now paint again. And we will wait another 24 more hours to see what this looks like. And we have finished completely coating it. Now let's see what that's going to look like tomorrow. And it's the 3rd day. This is the 2nd coat. It is great. That is the nice cobalt finish we want to have. Now all this bottle needs is a cork.